Hello students, welcome to BSc Mathematics virtual classes. I am Gayatri P, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. In the syllabus of third semester BSc Mathematics, you have to study 4 units with the practical using Maxima software. In this video lecture, we study about prerequisites for the first unit of the syllabus. It is just a recap, not for the exam. That is for continuing unit 1 of the syllabus. Real sequences, or we simply say that sequences. In unit 1, we shall study a special class of functions whose domain is the set n of natural numbers 1 to 3 up to infinity and range a set of real numbers. This range form the sequences. Functions or mappings, it's a definition. Let A and B be two sets and let there be a rule which associates to each member X of A member Y of B. Such a rule or a correspondence F under which to each element X of the set A there corresponds exactly one element Y of the set B is called mapping or a function. Symbolically, we write the function f from A to B like this. F colon A arrow mark B. This is f from A to B. That is a mapping or a function from A into B. The members of A are the elements to which some elements of B are correspond. The set A is called the domain of the function f. Here A is called the domain and B is called codomain. That is, the set B which contains all the elements corresponds to the elements of A and is called codomain of F. So, domain is A, B is codomain. Range of the set. It may be observed that while every element of the domain finds its image of B, there may be some elements in B which are not the image of any element of the domain A. The set of all those elements of the codomain B which are the images of the elements of the domain A is called the range or the range set of the function f. The unique element of B which corresponds to an element x of A is called the image of x or the value of the function at x and is denoted by f of x. X is called the pre-image of f of x. If the members of the domain set are denoted by x and those of the range set by y, then y equal to f of x, where f of x is the value of the function at x. Here is an example of a function f from the set A equal to x1, x2, x3 to set B equal to y1, y2, y3, y4. Clearly, the set x1, x2, x3 is the domain of this function and the set B equal to y1, y2, y3, y4 is the codomain of the function. Now here we notice that y3 has no pre-image in this A. So y2 in B, y3 is in B. Now the set y1, y2, y4 that is not included y3 is called range set of that function f. The elements y1 has the y1 is the image of x3, f of x3 equal to y1 or y1 equal to f of x3, and x1 has the image y4. We can write y4 equal to f of x1, that is image of x1. Similarly, y2 is the image of x2, that is y2 is f of x2, and there is no preimage for this y3. So, it is in the codomain, but it is not the element of the range set. So, y3 is not in the range set. I hope all of you understood what is a function and its domain and range set. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all.